Activity 1, to show the characteristics of matter. The first activity is for matter is made up of particles and there is a space in between the particles of matter. For this activity we have taken a beaker filled with water and we have inserted a mark on this beaker up to the level of water. Then we add salt. It is written here, see, here it is water and this is the mark. Then we add salt in this beaker. Here it is salt and this is water and the mark is here. In this beaker, when we add salt, then salt takes the place in between the space of particles of water. See here, this is salt in between the particles of water. These are the water particles and these are the salt particles. These are taking the place in between the space between the particles of water. Then we see that there is no increase in the level of water. The mark is showing us that the level of the water is same still. Now it shows that the particles of matter have space in between them, and also it shows that matter is made up of particles. Now see this activity. When we dissolve salt in water, the particles of salt get into the spaces between the particles of matter. Now procedure for this activity. Number 1, take 100 ml beaker. This is 100 ml beaker. Number 2, fill the half of beaker with water. We have filled it with water. Number 3, mark the level of water in beaker A. We have marked the level of water in A. Number 4, put some salt in water in beaker A. In the second figure, we have put some salt in this beaker A. This is the second figure of A, beaker A. Now stir the mixture. Now we have stirred the mixture. In this diagram, it is shown that we have stirred this mixture to dissolve salt in water. Number 6, we get a solution of water and salt on stirring. This is shown in beaker A, figure 3. Now the result. In beaker A, figure 3, we observe that salt completely dissolves in water. There is no change in level of water from already marked position. Now conclusion. Small particles of salt take the position in between the space of water particles. So we can say that there is a space in between the particles of matter and matter is made up of particles. Now is the